Today I visited Kelly's Island to work with students at the 4-H camp. While there, I was able to help students understand bird migration flyways. We looked at some of the islands in Lake Erie and talked about how necessary they are for birds in their migration pattern. After learning a little bit of beginning coding, students were ready to face a challenge. They had to create code that would allow their new Sphero bird to island hop to safety. These students did an awesome job. Everything from coding the robot to sound like a bird, to stopping and getting food at the various islands. We had so much fun. Starting Kelly's good resting point. Oh. Over at South Bass. Oh.
Just barely there.
And is he gonna make it to Canada or does he stop at Pelee Island? You're ready. Hey, he made it to. We even had fun adding in some bowling and fun extra coding.
Okay.
Does he say help?
No, you should see her.
Nice.
It was.
It looks like he changed it so now on free fall he says help, and when he lands he says ah! Thank you for the invitation, and I had a great time today.